So what we have combined here is that the motor shield is hooked up with 6 AA batteries on the bottom. It will be hooked up with 3, or actually with 2 channels, and these 2 channels are used to drive the motor speed and the motor direction. Now, as you can see here, you have channel 1 and channel 3 plugged in. It's because of polarity. So it can go one motor here, the other motor is over here. As you can see here, we have ground, power, and direction. We all plugged it here on the Arduino and both sides. And also we have these 2 plugs of the 5 volts plugged into the Arduino of the 5 volts and the ground.
So here is a water bilge pump. It is attached with the temperature sensor. So how this works is that the pump is powered up with a 4 AA battery, and it is connected to a relay and a DC step-up converter. The relay is used to signify and control the on-off of a pump, and the DC step-up converter which is right here, is used to increase the voltage from 5 volts to 12 volts, just to supply enough power for this pump to activate. And for the temperature sensor, how that works is it will detect the temperature in a room, and once it reaches a certain temperature, it will activate the pump.
Good. Now, to activate the Wi-Fi shield, to enable the network, all you need is a smartphone. So basically, we're going to be using an iPhone. And make sure that you have your cellular on, and make sure you have a personal hotspot on, so it can detect on the Wi-Fi shield that there's a network connection. So that is how to make a wireless tank, folks. And remember, guys, safety first. This is Mark, and that's Lauren. We'll see you later.
Okay, so here it is a bilge pump, which is powered by 4 AA batteries, along with the temperature sensor. The temperature sensor is used to activate the pump on and off, and how that works is it will detect a certain temperature, and then once it reaches that temperature, the pump will automatically activate on. And this right here is a relay, which is used to control the on and off of the pump, and the DC step-up converter, which increases the 5 volts to 12 volts just for the pump to power on.